I'm gonna show you how to set the clock on this BMW. It's a 2006. It's a 530i. So this is a 2006 530i BMW. I'm gonna show you how to set the clock and time and date. It's really simple. First, you want to get in, and once you get in your vehicle, you want to put your key in and just turn it to on. You don't have to start it or anything. Just put the key in and just hit this button right here to turn the power and stuff on. Once you hit the power and stuff, you want to go to your display screen. And you control everything with this button. You go to your display screen. So what you want to do is hit this middle button, just push it in, and it's going to go to the eye control. And then you want to just roll your knob up or down in what direction you want. And you want to go to display settings. You click display settings and you see set time. You hit enter. We're going to set it to 5:30 or 5:12. So you just scroll your knob, turn your knob on what you want it to be set at. So we're gonna go to 5, and we're gonna change this to 30. As you can see, I'm rolling this knob, and then you just push down to accept, enter. And you can put the time format, 12 hours, and that's it. So once you're done, you can just go either push it up or just hit this menu button right here. It'll take you back to home screen. Hit it again, it'll take you right there. And if you look on the screen here, you notice that the time is set for 5:30. So I'm gonna set it back to 4:12 or 4:15. So what you wanna do, hit this button, that's the enter. Go to display settings, go to time, hit enter, and roll your knob to 4, hit enter. We're set to 4:13 and hit enter, and that's it. And just hit this menu button a couple of times and it'll take you back to your home screen. All right, if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you, and have a great day.